So I tried recording a really full video, but it stopped when it started doing. So I'm working, but I need to feed my turtle. So I already had my hair done, and I'm already dressed. So here you go, buddy. But so yeah, I just put my shoes on, so let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna put my shoes on now. These are my shoes. I am only in 5th grade. And yeah. I don't think I'll be saying how old I am in any of my videos. I'm trying to get a USB for my PlayStation 3 gaming, and then I'll be posting that on YouTube, but right now, let's put my shoes on now that I got my socks on. I just decided to wear pink and purple. Pink and purple. Pink and purple. Anyways. I'm putting it on my turtle. See? I got my pink one. And purple. It's covered. Alright, so I'm tying my shoes right now. And this should only take me once. So I have time at the beginning of the day, and then I don't have to tie them for the rest of the day. So now it's time for my pink foot, which is now known as my right foot. That's funny. Oh, leave me in the comments below what hand you are. Left-handed, right-handed. I know most people are right-handed. That's all the people that I meet are left-handed. I mean, are right-handed anyways. So tell me what you are. I'm right-handed. It's just comfortable for me. I think I naturally used to write with my left hand, but just changed it because the right hand's comfortable. More comfortable than the left. Alright, so I got my shoes on. Now I need to wash my face. Let's go wash my face. Hello. I'm back. Time to wash my face. I naturally just have to wash my eyes. Even though I should have done this before I put my contacts in. did go. I need to wipe under my eyes. There goes major bags. Wipe away those major bags. It's time to wipe away those major bags that are under my eyes. You guys probably can't see this now, but you're staring at the top of my closet. See? Alright, well, now I'm using this from e.l.f. I'm not paying the under eye concealer and highlighter. This is the highlighter, this is the concealer. Which, by the way, I only use the concealer because the highlighter makes it too glittery and it doesn't help. There's not so much bagging anymore, and I'm also just gonna add a little mascara. So why not? Alright. This is the after look. And there's now 2 of me. Hey, Eddie? Yeah. We smush our faces together. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and all that crazy stuff. Yeah, bye.